Hello everyone, myself Dipti Chapaneria from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan, and today we are going to learn our Standard 1 subject English Grammar lesson number 9, that is preposition. So before starting anything, let me tell you students, what is preposition? Prepositions are those words which tells us the exact position or situation of a particular person, place, thing, etc. So now you can see on the screen or in your textbook there are some pictures are given of caterpillar. Now let's look where the caterpillar is exactly. Now in the first picture, the caterpillar is on the flower. Where it is? It is on the flower. So the word on is preposition. Why? Because it shows the exact situation of caterpillar, exact position. Then in the next picture, it is under the leaf. Now here where the caterpillar is, it is under the leaf. So the word under is preposition. Why? Because this word tells us that where is exactly the caterpillar is. Next, it is behind the butterfly. Now you can see in the picture, caterpillar is behind the butterfly. So here the word behind tells us the position of caterpillar. So the word behind is preposition. The words on, under, behind, between tells us the exact position. So they are preposition. Now the words on, under, behind and in tell us where a person, an animal or a thing is. Such words are called prepositions. Now let's look at example. The dolphins are in the sea. You can see in the picture that where the dolphins are in the sea. So the word in is preposition. Now let's look at this exercise. Where is the ball? Match the words to the pictures. Now we have to match these words with pictures. Number 1, behind the dolphin. Now where the ball is behind the dolphin. Where you can find it? Yes, in the picture D. The ball is behind the dolphin. So behind is preposition. Second, between the dolphins. Where it is? Yes, the picture A. Between the dolphins. The ball is between the dolphins. So behind, between are prepositions. So now let's look at one more exercise, that is, where is the rabbit family? Fill in the blanks. Now here we will look at the picture and identify that where is the rabbit family exactly or their positions. Number 1, Papa Rabbit is dash the fence. Where you can see a rabbit? Yes, under the fence. That is Papa Rabbit. So Papa Rabbit is under the fence. Mummy Rabbit is dash the 2 baskets. Where you can see 2 baskets? Yes, in the middle of the picture. There is one rabbit. Yes, she is Mama Rabbit. So Mummy Rabbit is between the 2 baskets. Then Brother Rabbit is hiding dash the tree. Oh, someone is hiding behind the tree. I can see. Yes, that is Brother Rabbit. Brother Rabbit is hiding behind the tree. Then Sister Rabbit is sitting dash the cart. Sitting on the cart. Now here, what you understood? That the words under, between, behind, on and in are prepositions which tell us the exact position.